problem we are trying to solve, the real problem affecting our people in this particular country. Basically, as other people have actually, as other honorable members have actually contributed, we realize that the problem we have in this particular country has nothing to do with adding additional referrals, but it's a situation where our referral systems and our health systems are not working right from the health worker. Because if you look at the basic level of the health worker, where the health worker is supposed to educate the citizens so that they can even avoid situations where we are getting sick because of ineffective diet or mismanagement of our diet, you realize that is even wanting, because our health workers, as we stand today, are volunteers, and volunteers whom we have not even checked their knowledge levels. So right from the community level, we have a system that is not even working to the expected levels. So I think, in my opinion, Mr. Speaker, to think of adding another layer of bureaucracy to a referral system that is not delivering the health services we expect for this country is not only retrogressive, but I think is a way of punishing our citizens for a system that actually is not working. I think the biggest problem that we have in our health system, which most of the honorable members have actually commented on, is the issue of inadequate capacity, right from the health worker to the topmost referral hospital in this particular country. And I think it would add a lot of value, Mr. Speaker, if we spend a lot of energy on correcting what is not working, as opposed to having an additional policy that actually limits those few of us who have coins to take their people away for treatment. I think we should even be apologetic that as members of this house who make decisions on behalf of our countrymen, we have a health system which we have actually continued to promote for years that cannot deliver the basic services that our Constitution guarantees to our own people. So, Mr. Speaker, I really oppose this bill and support what the committee has said, because if we look at this particular proposal, the kind of bottlenecks it wishes to put on those who want to access medical care elsewhere, I think it will actually make it will add injury to the already very injured sector in this particular country. So I think I oppose this particular bill, and I think probably we should have a bill that is actually trying to fill the gaps that all of us seem to be very aware of and seem to understand. Mr. Speaker, I've heard many of our honorable members talk of the bureaucracy in the system. You realize the health system as a kind of referral that is, although many